Welcome to Shweta Art. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly blend oil pastels using a few simple tips and techniques. Tip number 1. To get the best results in your artwork, always choose the right paper. For oil pastels, the best option is brushstroke drawing paper in 160 or 110 GSM. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and regular artists who want a smooth and professional finish. Give it a try and see the difference. Tip number 2. Kindly pay attention to this. When working with oil pastels, always remember to keep them clean. Before you start, wipe each pastel with a clean tissue or a soft cotton cloth to ensure the colors stay pure. For this piece, I'm using Dom's Oil Pastels. It's a budget-friendly brand that is incredibly affordable, making it the perfect choice for beginners. Despite being cheap, the quality is impressive. You should definitely give it a try. Tip number 3. Whenever you're drawing, always use masking tape on the edges. This helps keep your borders sharp and clean. For this part, I'm using maroon oil pastel. I always start with the darker shades first. I'm applying the maroon pastel in a circular motion. Using this technique will help your colors blend perfectly and prevent any patches. Give it a try, and you won't face any blending problems. Tips number 4. As you can see, I've kept this area quite light after coloring and added some light shading. You can clearly see the difference now. Next, take the second color, rose pink. You need to overlap this directly onto the maroon color using a circular motion. Keep the shading light as you blend them together to give the artwork a smooth finish. And that's how you complete this layer. Now, I'm taking the lightest shade of pink. I'm going to overlap this onto the rose pink, again using a circular motion. This is the final layer of our oil pastel blending process, which will give it that smooth and perfect look. Last and final tips. Now, to blend the colors together, I'm using cotton buds. This is a great technique to ensure there are no white gaps or edges left on the paper, making the transition look super smooth. When using cotton buds, remember to apply gentle pressure and work in small movements. This helps the oil pastels merge perfectly without smudging the details. It's one of the easiest ways to get a professional, seamless finish for your artwork. So, this is the final look of our oil pastel blending. Now I'm going to remove the masking tape to reveal those clean edges. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this oil pastel blending guide. Thanks for staying until the end. See you in the next video. Bye!